IndieMerger AI is one of the newest AI software tools to hit the market. And if you're looking for a powerful solution that could elevate your digital marketing strategy, you need to know these 7 crucial things about it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why IndieMerger AI is making waves and whether it's the right tool for your business. Stick with me through this quick review to get all the details you need. First off, let's talk about what makes IndieMerger AI unique. This software is designed to streamline your digital marketing efforts using artificial intelligence to help you merge customer data, create tailored campaigns, and track everything effortlessly. What sets it apart is its simplicity while delivering high-level results. It's like having a marketing expert in your pocket without needing to hire a whole team. One of the most exciting things about IndieMerger AI is its user-friendly interface. For beginners and seasoned marketers alike, this software offers a clean, intuitive dashboard. You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. You can easily connect your marketing platforms, analyze data, and automate crucial tasks, all from one place. The AI-driven analytics are a game changer. IndieMerger AI uses smart algorithms to process customer data and generate insights that would typically take hours to compile. It identifies trends and behaviors, giving you a more precise understanding of your target audience. The best part? It's not just data. It provides actionable insights that you can use to enhance your strategy right away. If you've been looking for ways to save time on your digital marketing efforts, IndieMerger AI's automation features will be a huge asset. Whether it's managing emails, social media posts, or even running ads, this tool helps you do it with minimal manual input. Imagine automating your entire marketing funnel and focusing on more strategic tasks, all while the AI keeps things running smoothly in the background. Next up is the versatility of IndieMerger AI. It doesn't just serve one niche or business model. It's built for a wide range of users. Whether you're an e-commerce store, a content creator, or even a service-based business, you can customize this tool to suit your needs. It adapts to your business, rather than forcing you to adapt to it. The software also integrates seamlessly with popular platforms, so you won't need to worry about compatibility issues. It connects with tools like Google Ads, Facebook, Shopify, and more. That means you can bring all your marketing efforts into one central hub for more effective campaign management. However, no software is perfect, and IndieMerger AI is still in its early stages. While the core functionality is impressive, there are occasional bugs with syncing certain data sources. It's something the team is actively working on, but it's worth keeping in mind as the software continues to evolve. So, is IndieMerger AI the right choice for you? If you're looking for a simple, powerful tool to help you manage your marketing efforts and scale your business, then yes, it's perfect for those who want to get results without the steep learning curve. Remember, you can try IndieMerger AI for free through the first link in the description below. I recommend giving it a shot and seeing how it fits into your marketing workflow. After trying thousands of AI tools, IndieMerger AI stands out as one of the most promising for digital marketers. If you're interested in exploring more of the best AI tools, I've listed my recommended options in the description below, which you can try for free. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the latest in AI software.